Hey, I'm Captain Blue Tongue. I've been teaching at the workshop here for a couple of years now, and I've been teaching for 20 odd years. I play the harmonica. Good to, people at all different ages, whether they just want to be travelling and carry the little thing around with them, or whether they, are frustrated harmonica players, or whether they're just doing it for a bucket list, So basically in these classes I teach people the two sort of most common essential techniques of playing the blues harp. And one would be the train whistle, or the actual train. So and bending notes, which is the essential technique, if you like a baby crying, I guess. Yes, that's what I do. But I mean, I do warn you, even if your friends and family have thought it might be an idea of a cool thing to get you for a present, they won't be as enthusiastic as you will be when you practice it. So maybe get a pair of earmuffs for the neighbours as well. Just kidding, of course.
If you don't help me, darling, I'll